Hello, Warriors. In this video, we're looking at the Unit 4 review question 1. At first, this question looks confusing because there's a lot going on here. It tells us to enter the value of m when the expression 20x plus m is equivalent to 5 parentheses 4x plus 2 parentheses. So first thing we want to do is break it down into the parts to make it a little bit easier to work with. So it said to enter the value of m. So I know that's what I'm looking for is an m. When the expression, we talked about how expressions were like the parts of, the expression is the whole thing and then the terms are the small parts of it. So it just says we want to find m when this is equivalent to this. So equivalent, as we know, means equal. And I'm going to go ahead and write that. So we want to know what m is going to be if we need it to be equal to 5 parentheses 4x plus 2. And if I look at this side, I'm checking to see if there's any distributive property. There's no parentheses, so it's not distributive. And now I check like terms. I know this is an x and this is an m, so these are not like terms, so I cannot combine them. So I look at the other side and I see 5 parentheses 4x plus 2 parentheses. This tells me that it is distributive property because there's a variable in the parentheses and there's a number that's right beside the parentheses. So I will distribute, I'll cherry bomb. The 5 needs to go to the 4x and the 5 needs to go to the positive 2. So I look at 5 times 4, which is 20. So 5 times 4x will be 20x. And then I look at 5 times positive 2, and positive 5 times positive 2 is positive 10. So I've taken care of my distributive property. So I'm just going to bring down the rest of my equation. So my 20x plus m is the same. I brought down the equal sign. The only thing we changed is we simplified this expression by distributing, and we got 20x plus 10. And now some of you can look at that and you can just see, oh, well, this place and this place, so m has to be 10 because the 20x is the same, the plus is the same, so the m has to be a 10. But if you didn't see that, we could also do this trick that Ms. Pollock showed me. I have 20x on this side and 20x on this side. So I want to keep it balanced. So I'm sorry, I'm not sure why my cursor is doing that. I can subtract 20x from both sides and it will still be balanced. So on this side, the 20x's will cancel out and I'm left with m. On this side, the 20s will cancel out because 20x's minus 20x's is 0. And I would get m equals 10. And like I said, I'm very sorry. I think my internet is just really laggy. And that's why it doesn't want to let me write. It says enter the value of m, so we only enter the value. We only enter 10. We do not put the m there also. So that was the first question on our review for Unit 4.